Welcome back to Everpreneur. Today we're going to be talking about how to get more B2C business through Instagram. This is following up from our other video regarding how to get B2B business. And Instagram, I'd say, is a platform more suited to the B2C space. I mean, a lot of consumers, a lot of people's own accounts are on Instagram. Businesses are on there, but it's definitely a B2C platform. You have a large volume of the masses on Instagram, so reaching the B2C is the way to go. I mean, primarily it's going to be through followers. As you get more recognized within your niche, and you get more posts, hit the explore page, you're going to get more traffic, resulting in more followers. And those followers you can then promote to. You can reach out more on the B2C space by, hitting up an influencer and then having that influencer promote your stuff, of course. So that's another way, utilizing your accounts. You can trade shout outs with another influencer as well. And also just, looking up hashtags, right? Looking up a hashtag, seeing an account with a ton of followers and then commenting on that. We're getting a lot of exposures, but primarily the B2C is going to be through getting a bunch of followers. And how you do that, we tell you in a previous video. So you get your followers and you promote things to your followers, because then now they're on your platform. Eventually you want to be able to get an email. Instagram is one of the best B2C platforms. Consumers are all over it, right? It's not like a LinkedIn, primarily B2B. I mean, Instagram, their bread and butter is the B2C space. So if you're looking to sell to consumers, you definitely want to be on there. It doesn't matter what kind of business you have. We have another video talking about, is your business right for Instagram? Whether you have a product, service, brick and mortar, local business, national business, doesn't matter. All the consumers are there. You want to be on it. It's a free platform. Get that free traffic, get the eyeballs on your service, whatever you're promoting, and get those sales, guys.
Hey, Everpreneurs, did you guys love that video? We're going to love the next two we picked just for you. Check them out over here, and we'll see you there.